got the rear end down. It's a rusty old mess, man. Leave a car sitting outside for a year, it's crazy what it does to it. I'm gonna have to clean this deal up quite a bit for it to be up to my standard. But I got all this loose. This is 7.5. I got an 8.8 sitting outside. You gonna get it out? Yeah, man. Let's get it. Nailed it, dude. Hey, give me 5. Bam. I appreciate it, buddy. She's out, fellas. Deal. Hey, I did the camera. Say hi. Smile. All right. Whoa! You alright? You alright? Did you hit your booty butt? Yeah. Oh man, you be alright. Well, as y'all can tell, I bought a rear end off Marketplace. Got an 8.8. The only problem is I really don't know what's in it. I'm sure I'll end up busting the cover off. It's gonna need a spool for sure. Maybe just a mini spool, I really don't know. But we'll get it figured out and kind of go from there. But here it is, we're gonna get it cleaned up. A little man wants to spray bomb it, but we gotta do some cleaning first. What, baby? Watch out, it's gonna sling stuff on you, okay? See all that? I'm getting all that. Man. Here, all the brown. You paint, okay?
All the brown.
That's funny. Yeah. Not the jack, buddy.
Oh.
You painted the jack. Here, paint the rear end. Look, stand back. Stand back. Stand back. Okay. Not the jack. it's probably a little boring, but like I said, I got an 8.8 off of Craigslist, or not Craigslist, Marketplace. It's supposed to be 373. I don't know if it's a locker or not. The tag was wiped off of it from sitting outside for 6 months, so that's my fault. I'll probably have to do a little spinning around and a little count and see if it's for sure a 373. A lot of cars had 331s. I don't really care either way. I would rather have a 373, of course. But I got the car, I got the old rear end out, and I'll show you. All right, so here I am. Got the rear end out. That's why we're getting that one ready to put in. This car, and I'm gonna walk y'all through some of this mess, but this car had an aftermarket third link or whatever you want to call it, and a track bar. I've ordered some used. I got them on eBay. Some solid control arms because these deals ain't gonna cut it. I don't know if you can see how dry rotted and stuff they are. And this one's even worse. I felt like as soon as I tried to launch off the trans brake, I would fold these little things up like a Pringles can. So I had E85 in the car. I have aluminum lines ran, and look at that. Ate the line completely in two, and corroded the bottom of the car horribly. So now I get to clean this up and get some paint on it because I just can't deal with that. That ain't my style. And looks like I might have to come up with a different solution than the aluminum lines because I don't trust that at all. I got high dollar injectors and I just don't, no way. I'm not gonna chance that for that. So, but next step will be yanking this out. We'll get this old 350 out that's junk. And the transmission that I've been building forever, right there, is ready to go. It's a 400 with a brake, and it's on the channel as well, the whole build on that. But now we will have a 8.8 with a spool, 373s, and a 400 with a brake. And then we got to get this deal running. I've made myself a goal of trying not to spend much money, but getting it running. I just want to say I got it going, get it to the track, and then we can make it pretty one day. But I want it to be functional first. So anyways,